Hi, Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library, and I have another take and make craft. So you're going to have fun. So you're going to go to the library, ask for the craft, take the bag home, and in the bag you're going to find a beautiful picture. You'll either get a parrot or a butterfly or some beautiful flowers. So you don't get to choose whatever's in your bag, so you'll get one of those pictures along with a container with glue in it and a baggie with lots of little pieces of tissue paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a tissue paper collage. So on your picture, you are going to just cover it with tissue paper. What you need to do, and I would suggest you use a toothpick or a Q-tip as your brush. You're going to put some glue on a small area of your picture, and you'll have chosen whatever colors it is that you're going to use for that section. You are going to have taken pieces of that tissue paper and just squish them into a little ball. And you're going to be gluing the different balled up tissue paper onto your picture to make a beautiful tissue paper collage. So the picture that I worked on was the butterfly. So I use lots of different colors, and you'll have lots of colors in your baggie. So that makes it fun, and I've already cut all the pieces for you. You don't have to cut anything. You just need to roll them into little balls, or maybe you want to make some bigger ones, and you could add a couple of different colors together and squish those up so you have a bigger ball and multicolored ball. So that would be fun to do. I didn't do that on my picture, but you could do that. And I'll show you my completed one. So hopefully that will be incentive for you to go to the library and pick up a bag of the Take and Make craft. And there is my awesome, totally awesome butterfly. So I hope you have fun. Please go to the library, and remember, you don't get to choose what your picture will be, but when you take it home, you're going to have fun with the tissue paper, balling it up and gluing it onto the picture and making an awesome tissue paper collage. Have fun, and I will see you soon.